Just a quick tip. When designing software, we can sometimes get a little bit carried away in terms of the features and functions that we're looking to develop and deliver. Pareto's principle is a great thing to bring along. Generally, you'll get 80% of the value out of 20% of the functionality, so use that rule when developing software. One of the tips that I have when using that rule is you may design or just have some big picture thinking. So you might sit down and say, all right, over the next, say, 2 years, we want to be here. And that will bring up all this potential functionality, all these nice to haves, but how do we pare that back? How do we get down to that 20% that will deliver that 80%? So a little cool tip that we use is the Moscow principles. So the must-haves, the should-haves, the could-haves, and the definitely won't-haves for that initial release. So that must-haves area is where you want to focus in on for that initial testing and releasing. Even forget about the should-haves, any of the could-haves, and obviously the won't-haves. Won't be applicable at this stage. So when you're ironing out some functionality, focusing on those must-haves, and that's generally where that 80% efficiency will come from, and that will generally be 20% of your functionality. So nice little tip for the day to keep things simple and just focus in on what's important. Thanks.